In a world where the spirit of goodwill drives positive change, non-governmental organizations play a pivotal role in transforming communities. But these organizations need more than just good intentions to amplify their impact. They need recognition, support, and access to resources. NGO Darpan Registration is a crucial means to achieve that. Wondering how? Watch the video till the end to get all your answers. Here's what we'll cover. Number 1. Concept of NGO Darpan. Number 2. Significance of NGO Darpan Registration. Number 3. Eligibility for registration. Number 4. Documents. Number 5. Process, and Number 6. Benefits of registration. There's a lot to discuss. So, let's begin without further ado.
What is NGO Darpan Registration? NGO Darpan is an online portal developed by India's policy think tank NITI Aayog, in collaboration with the National Informatics Centre, under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Introduced by the Indian government in 2015, it serves as a national and centralized database of NGOs and voluntary organizations in India. To create this database, every NGO or VO in India is required to register themselves on the portal and provide self-declared information about their activities, projects, sources of income, and so on.
What's the importance of this information? Since information available on the portal is publicly accessible, it helps the government and other stakeholders monitor and verify the activities of NGOs. This enhances their credibility and transparency. The main objective behind creating the Darpan portal is to facilitate NGOs in receiving government grants and funding easily using their unique Darpan registration ID. Let's understand how to obtain it.
Applicability of NGO Darpan Registration. Any registered non-government organization, NGO, or voluntary organization, VO, can obtain the NGO Darpan registration. However, it is mandatory for NGOs and VOs seeking foreign contributions under the Foreign Contributions Regulation Act, and government grants under various other schemes and initiatives. After registration, these organizations receive a unique Darpan ID which helps them apply for such grants and funding opportunities easily and transparently. Here's a list of institutions eligible to apply for NGO Darpan registration in India. Number 1. Registered trusts. Number 2. Registered societies. Number 3. Registered Section 8 companies. Number 4. Charitable association. Number 5. Any other notified NGO or VO.
Documents for NGO Darpan registration. Documents are the most crucial aspect of NGO Darpan application process. So preparing all the documents correctly should be the first priority. Here's a complete list. Number 1. PAN card of the NGO. Number 2. Incorporation certificate and registration number of the NGO. Number 3. PAN number and Aadhaar number of at least 3 office bearers. Number 4. Official mobile number and email address. Make sure these documents are available beforehand, as any inaccuracy and inadequacy can cause hindrances and delays in the process. If you need any assistance, our experts are here to help you draft and prepare the documents from scratch. You can submit your request to us on the link given in the description. Now let's move ahead with the process.
Process for NGO Darpan registration. NITI Aayog NGO Darpan registration is an online process and can be completed in a series of steps. Let's discuss each of them distinctly. Firstly, visit the portal at https://ngodarpan.gov.in and complete the new user registration process. For this, you need to provide basic details like the name of your NGO, contact number, official email, and PAN number for OTP verification. Once the OTP is verified, you can create a password and username as login credentials. Next, you need to log into your account and fill in details about your NGO, like its members, funding sources, contact information, and activities. This information must be correct, as any discrepancy found later can lead to the cancellation of your Darpan ID. To complete the process, upload all the documents we discussed earlier, like the PAN of the organization, its incorporation certificate, and documents of office bearers. Once all the details and documents are verified, a unique Darpan ID will be generated for your NGO, enabling you to apply for government grants and other funds seamlessly.
Benefits of NGO Darpan registration. From providing basic legal recognition to increasing visibility among donors, NGO profile registration on the Darpan portal gives so many desirable benefits that make it worth a try. Let's check out a few of them. Number 1. NGO Darpan registration provides official recognition to NGOs, making it easier for the government to track their activities. Number 2. Government departments prefer to fund NGOs registered on the portal due to their credibility and transparency. Number 3. Registered NGOs are eligible for tax benefits under Section 80G and 12A of the Income Tax Act. While Section 12A provides tax exemptions to NGOs, 80G allows deductions to their owners. Number 4. Darpan registered NGOs gain credibility and legitimacy, fostering trust among their donors and stakeholders. Number 5. NGO Darpan registration promotes transparency and accountability in an NGO's activities, ensuring proper records and reports are regularly maintained. And Number 6. NGOs gain increased visibility on the Darpan portal, expanding opportunities for grants and funding. That's all for this video. Hopefully, you now understand the importance of having a Darpan ID for NGOs. However, if you still have any questions, you can ask us in the comments section, or talk to our advisors directly. Contact details are given in the description. Also, you can reach us for any assistance you need to complete the NGO Darpan registration process. We'll help and guide you at every step of the way. Found this video helpful? Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Hit the notification bell to get latest updates on our new videos. Thanks for watching.